Hey everybody, good morning. I was just wondering if you're ready for Obamacare. As you know, it's mandatory to have insurance in another 10 weeks. And the premiums in 2014 are lower than they will be for 2015. This is an interesting calculator. This is from the Henry J. Kaiser Family Foundation, and this is health reform. And I just want to let you guys know how much you're going to be paying for health care in 2014. So say that you are a husband and wife team and you make, say, $50,000 a year. Of course, you know that's not a whole lot of money. You're probably struggling to make ends meet like most people. It's hard to find anyone in today's economy that is saying things are better than they've ever been. If you remember the politicking, the political polls that they used to run back in the days of prosperity, are you better off than you were 4 years ago? Well, I think that's a pretty easy question for everybody to answer, excuse me. Is employer coverage available? Okay, no. If your employer requires you to spend more than 9.5% of your household income on your own health insurance premium, or if the health insurance your employer offers does not meet the health care law's minimum value standards. So let's just say there is no health care. And there's two people in your family, husband and wife, and number of adults enrolling. We'll go both adults, age, and say that you are, 53, and your wife is 52, and neither one of you smoke, which is good. Number of children, your children are grown, so let's go ahead and submit. Let's go ahead and submit. Oh, okay, so I think we have the information we need down here. And you are going to pay $12,000 a year unsubsidized. Now, amount you pay for the premium is $4,700 or roughly $400 a month, and you could receive a government tax credit of, so you're paying in real life you're paying $1,000 a month for health insurance. And if you're making $50,000 a year, divide that by 12, that's $4,000 a month times 25% taxes. You're taking home $3,000 a month, and you're going to be paying about 10% for health care. And that is for the bronze. This is a silver plan. Now you have the option to apply for the subsidy towards the purchase of other levels of coverage, such as the gold plan, which would be more comprehensive, or a bronze plan, which would be less comprehensive. Okay, you can knock it down to 5.38% of your household income. This is basically a tax, 2688, and then you have more out-of-pocket expenses. This is really confusing. The silver plan, boy, they need a bunch of bookkeepers. 70%, or the bronze plan means 60%. So if you're on the silver plan, the plan will pay for 70%. If you're on the bronze plan, the plan will pay for 60%. Now, this plan here is I don't know which plan this is. Oh, this is a silver plan. I'm sorry. So anyway, guys, the bottom line is this is going to be very, very expensive, and I'm not sure how many people are going to be able to afford this kind of coverage. Here's my question. Are you going to be able to afford the mandatory coverage? And what do you think of these plans? You know, you have the gold plan, but then you have the bronze and the silver plan. And so I'm going to put the link below. Tell me what you think. I'm going to refrain from my thoughts and let you guys take over. Adios.